everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's continue with Adavu number 3 of lesson number 21. First I'll show the footwork. You have to take Aramandi posture. Then start 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. So the footwork is, first you have to jump, then tap your right leg, again jump and tap your left leg. Now see the hand gesture. You have to hold Kataka Mukha Hasta, then 1, you have to keep your hands up with Alapadma Hasta, then in 2, you have to do Suchi and Mushti. So Suchi will go inside Mushti. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. So the eyes will go as your hands go up. 1, 2. Again 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So now I will do the foot and hand together. 1, 2, 1, 2. So when you are doing towards the right side, so the first beat is same, just you have to jump. And if you are doing towards the right side, so the hands will tilt slightly towards right. So it's 2 like this. 1, 2 towards left. So little the hands will be tilting towards the side, in which side you will be doing. So first starting with the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ka, pay, 3,